Welcome to Vibin. In this walkthrough, you'll go from a blank screen to working software using Codex. We'll cover what it is, giving it a task in plain words, and reviewing what it builds.
Codex is OpenAI's AI agent, now powered by the GPT 5.5 model. It can build things for you, create content, and even use your computer to finish real tasks. You get one tool that handles a lot. Think of Codex like a software-savvy teammate sitting right next to you. Give it the right access, and it can build websites, manage your email, check your drive, or run your marketing. You tell it what you want, and it handles the work. Open your browser and go to chat.openai.com/codex. You land on a page made for getting the app onto your computer. Take a second to look around before you download anything. Once the download finishes, click the Codex icon and drag it into your Applications folder. This installs it just like any other app on your Mac. Now you can find it anytime alongside your other programs. Open Codex and start the quick onboarding. Choose the type of work you do, whether that is engineering, product, or marketing. This lets Codex tailor itself to you, so press Continue. Now sign in using your existing ChatGPT account. Just click the button and enter the same login you already use. Your projects and tools come right along with you during setup. When you first log in, Codex asks for access to your documents and folders. Go ahead and allow it. This lets Codex work across your computer and actually get things done for you. You land on the new chat page, and this is your home base for every project. Take a moment to look around this screen. Getting comfortable here makes everything after it easier. Look to the top left and find the New Chat button, which starts you fresh whenever you want. Right beside it is a search bar. Type a few words there to pull up any of your past chats. Open the Plugins section to connect your outside apps into Codex. Then visit the Automations page, where you can set up tasks that run on a schedule again and again. Projects are folders that hold everything for one app or website in a single place. When you work inside a project, Codex sees all that context and stays on track. Chats are better for quick, one-off questions you just want answered fast. Codex gives you 3 permission levels to choose from. Default runs everything in a safe sandbox, auto-review checks with you before sensitive actions, and full access opens your whole computer. Start with default while you get comfortable.
You're doing great so far. Next, we'll get into the features that do the heavy lifting, planning your build, applying changes, and reviewing them safely. Stay with it.
Over on the right, you pick your model and reasoning level. Choose GPT 5.5 on high for strong reasoning without burning through too many tokens. It gives you a good balance to start with. Tap the plus button to open your options. You can attach photos and files, switch into plan mode, or pick which plugins to use for your task. It keeps everything you need in one spot. Now open your connectors and switch on the tools you actually use, like GitHub, Gmail, Google Drive, and Slack. Each one you turn on gives Codex a little more reach into your real work. This is where it starts doing things for you instead of just talking about them. To add a connector, click the plus button right next to it. Then follow the guided steps to link your account. It walks you through everything, one piece at a time. Start a new chat and just tell Codex what you want in plain words. Here, you ask for a clean, modern landing page for an AI newsletter, and you name the exact sections you want on it. Speak to it the way you would explain the idea to a friend. Turn on plan mode before you start. Now, Codex maps out how it will build your project first, laying out each step before writing anything. This keeps the whole build organized and easy to follow. Codex hands you a written plan describing exactly what it will build. Read it over so you know what to expect. When it looks good, click Yes to implement and let it start working. Now, Codex works through the task on its own. It even uses the new GPT image model to generate visuals for your page. Watch its progress as it builds each piece. Now, Codex opens the finished landing page right in its own built-in browser. You see the actual result live on screen. Take a moment to look at what you just built. Watch what Codex does next. It takes screenshots and clicks buttons like the sign up, checking the page the way a real person would. It tests its own work so you can trust the result. Click the 3 dots and choose Add Automation. Now, describe a task you want to repeat, like compiling a fresh AI newsletter from recent articles and videos. Codex will run it for you on a schedule. Now set your schedule, so choose something like daily at 9 a.m. and save it. Press Run Now to test that it works right away. From then on, it repeats every day on its own. Not happy with how it looks? Ask Codex in plain words to review the design and the copy. List what could be better, then make those changes. This back and forth is how you refine your project. Now, read through what Codex made for you. It followed every instruction, right down to giving your readers actionable prompts they can try. Take a moment to see how closely it matched what you asked for. Because Codex is connected to your Drive, you can ask it to build a marketing plan as a Google Doc. It can also make slides and sheets for you. Just describe what you need and let it create the file. Watch the cursor move on its own inside the app. Codex is actually operating your computer to finish the task. You can sit back and follow along as it works. Codex sends you a link to the finished Google Doc. Open it and you find a detailed multi-page marketing plan built around your goals. Come back to the page now that Codex has finished. It spent a few minutes improving the copy, the visuals, and the way everything flows together. Look how much cleaner and easier to use the whole page feels. With a video connector added, you can ask Codex to make a short promo video. Give it a clear brief describing what you want, and it will create the motion graphics, test them, and fix any problems on its own. Now try your own idea and test it out. Change something small, see what happens, and build again. This tool can make almost anything, so make it yours.
And that's the tour. You now know what this tool is, how to describe what you want in plain words, and how to review what it builds for you. Open it up and make something real. We'll see you in the next one.